do a run through of this little train car, or specifically this room, but yeah. So let's go to the vlog. So over here we have some water. Down another person's. And this is mine. You can see I drank it. However, the thing is, we did just buy these water bottles and bring them in here. We actually got them just for showing up. Yes, that's right, complimentary water bottles. This train has everything. Because here's this little table tray. I'm not really sure how to activate it. Try and the tray table and fold tray leaves out. Okay, I'll try it, but I'm not gonna record it just to make it easier for me. Okay, so it turns out folding up this table is easier than I thought. Alright then. Let's go. Let's move on to other things. So over here are some steps onto this bunk bed. And fun fact, these two, this and that, this whole bed is actually 2 chairs conjoined. Yes, 2 chairs. Hold on, I need to clear my throat. Anywho, so this combining these 2 chairs and folding them out makes a whole bed. And the thing is, you can get cups over here. But you want to know the craziest part? This whole thing transformed a sink. Yes, this turns into a sink. If Himiko Yumeno were here, he would call it magic. Also, hold on, what the what? You actually turn off that switch. The thing is,
what am I going to pack?
This place actually has curtains. See? Wait a minute, are we even moving? I don't think we're moving anymore. I think we're moving a little bit. Yikes. Oh no. Anywho. This place also comes with air conditioning. Yes, you heard me right. Air conditioning in a train. Is that conditioned air?
Yes, feel it, breathe it.
I just felt like it was fitting. Also, if you do not want to get caught doing something that is actually appropriate, but like other people would think would be weird if they saw it, there's also curtains covering this hallway. heading somewhere where I can meet all the other friends from this channel. The one I'm most excited to meet, I would say either Kirby or N. Maybe I should give you a tour of the upper sink. Oh, wait. So over here, you have your towels. This watch doesn't come with the train. You have this hanger to hang up anything else. We have some glasses that also don't come with the train. We have some Beekman shampoo, lotion, and body wash. All 3 things inside of a train. And yes, there is also a bathroom and a shower inside the train. I feel like I would show you that later. Over here, we have the light switches. Over here is the reading light. Hiya! Hold on. Hiya! Ah, that's bright. That's very bright. Ah. And over here we have the area light, which isn't that bright, but wow, the luminosity. Wait, is that what you call it? I'm not sure. Alright, so wait, it also comes with a safety guide, just in case something happens. If you see something suspicious or unusual, say something. Tell your conductor or call Amtrak police. I'm just gonna cover this up. Please make your train number. Please have your train number when making your report. Customer safety instructions. Single. Oh yeah, we're in a single level sleeper. Since the bed transforms. I'm gonna go watch. Let's watch Talking Tom and Friends. Wait, maybe not Germinator 2. Hold on, let me just pick something. Okay, so I decided to pick Garage Feast Day, but I'm just waiting for it to load, so yeah. Here's something you might not expect from a train. It's a trash bin. Yes, trash bin. So basically, a train, this room is like a miniature home. Also, there is a dining car, obviously, but I think that would be a story for another time. I guess we aren't moving anymore. Just noticed that. It's quite cool. Still feel kind of cold. Whoa! What the? It's another train. It's another train. This reminds me of, what was that game? Oh! The episode's starting. What's that one game made by Spike Chunsoft, creators of, the Danganronpa franchise that I'm in? Oh yeah, Master Detective Archives Ring Code. Yeah. But, stop.
That's so nice.
Okay, today, Ginger, we're getting ready for Garage Feasting.
What's that?
One of my top 4 best holidays. When we go through the fridge, take all the food that's about to expire and turn it into a delicious feast. It's a celebration of friendship.
Not bad.
And of not wasting groceries.
We never do that at my house. My parents don't keep old food. That's so sad.
Why don't you celebrate with us this year? We're already having one special guest.
Really? Who?
Stack these plates. Vacuum the dust. Come on. Everything has to be perfect for my computer son, Boomerang.
Ooh,
What's our little
boomerang.
guy been up to since that day he came to life? Grew
Oh, wait,
up
I think
down
we're
on
moving
his
now.
own?
Undoubtedly something incredible. His advanced computing powers may have allowed him to unlock the secrets of the
Yeah, we're
universe, or
moving.
to find an alternate universe. It's sure to be something with some kind of universe. Straighten your postures, everyone.
So,
Boomerang. Hey, Eddie-o. Hope you don't mind. I brought my girlfriend. This is Dottie. Dottie, dance. He's kind of a nerd.
what the what? Miraculous ladybug?
Each one of you has accomplished so much. Together, we've foiled so many threats. We're heroes. Chickies, what's up?
I want to watch some.
Like tie-dye. I bet that really freaks out the man. A lot of scientists have been known to rock the man
So,
genius style.
apparently,
Even Einstein.
this is my
Sure.
metal water bottle. Is just crunch ground.
Well, it all began after I uploaded my mind to the internet.
Oh,
I learned every
okay,
single
no
formula,
cues.
shape, and measurement there is to know.
I'm just going to drink this.
And that's
I'm
what
going
I
to drink
found.
this.
If you found the meaning of life, no spoilers, please. I'm on my own journey. Even better. Johnny told me that there's so much more to life than science. That's literally not true. There is art. She's an artist, and she taught me to be an artist too. An artist.
This is cool.
Come with us and we'll show you. Our work is on
Whoa.
display at the Arrogance Gallery
Doesn't
downtown.
have that much
Just be careful. Some of the
leg
pieces
room.
might blow your mind. Let's check it out.
I guess I could close
I bet
it.
whatever art he's doing is really impressive.
And then we go over there. Okay, right after this scene.
I don't get it. It's a hamburger with a tie. You're right, really impressive. Great stuff. Okay, but that's just one piece. I mean, this one here is really
Did
good.
he say-
It makes me think of planes and bombs. So it's really a comment on engine.
Wait, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please. You didn't do it? Actually didn't do it? Okay.
Airing in literature. Admit it. Boomerang wasn't built to be an artist.
You like
I don't
how
know. I'm no
smooth
art
this thing
expert.
is?
Maybe this is cutting edge.
I don't like this at all. When it comes to art, I like everything, but not this. It's like marvelous magnificent. The colors are filling the space.
Raj,
Alright.
feast your eyes on this classic holiday treat.
Alright, now I'm just going to... Then I'm going to close these. I'm going to carefully lift this up. Go down carefully. And there we go. We have much more room. I'm just going to move this. Is there a belt here? I don't know. Is this? Oh, it's an Amtrak blanket. Oh, I need to get my own. That would be so. That would be so good. I'm shivering. Oops, almost forgot. There is another fan and there's a thermometer.
Just because something is spoiled
Also,
doesn't mean you have to.
I'm gonna turn off the lights to show you what each light does. Alright, everyone. So this is the area light, and this is a very bright reading light. However, there's more. When you're trying to sleep, you can get this night light. It's blue. Nice. And once you're awake,
Companies are the worst.
you can use a ceiling light.
Actually, I was going to suggest that you quit your job. Spending your backpacking.
Ooh, I like this view. Nice. Oh, no face reveal. No face reveal. Okay. Not bad. Then mirror lamp. Yep, mirror lamp.
Brainwashing your son is not good parenting. I'm teaching him. This is just like signing him up for swim lessons. Just give me that diet.
Oh, I don't know what that does.
Hey, Daddy-O. I want you to
But-
see my newest piece. I call it You Should Sell Your Company and Become a Hiker, Dad.
And there's also a fan over here. Wait, love to see. And then he puts his head in the water, but boiling water. There are also charger ports that emit 120 volts.
Hey, there you are. I've been looking for you. We're gonna be late for the piece.
Also, there's also a button to call an assistant,
He's made some odd choices.
an attendant, and you can turn the PA speaker on or off. And then here's the exits and equipment locations. So we're currently at room 10. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's not really focused. It's moving too much. Focus. And there are also I'm guessing two elite rooms. There's 4 exits. Alright. Oh, dang. Did you hear it?
Also, I like watching Hank be mad all day.
Watch it, Buster. You're about to be a last-time feaster.
Dang.
To being together. To be together.
No.
Sure is always great to be together. Next year it'll be a
I
slight
do want to make
group of us. For instance,
one of those a body has been discovered jokes. But no, never mind.
Dad, don't tell me you think me and Dottie are going to break up. Well, since you bring it up, she is a lot older than you, and she is
Wait,
into
what?
art, which is clearly ridiculous. So, who wants questionable olives? Oh, yeah. Running a stupid, boring computer company is ridiculous. Ha! What I do is boring. You draw tiny little identical pictures slightly spaced out differently.
Yikes.
Okay, time for a classic garage day feast game. Angela, why don't you go first?
You just don't get it, Dad. This show is going to launch our art careers. Launch it right into the garbage, baby. Your art is bad. Go back to science. You'll appreciate my honesty when you are living in a space station. Could you please not fight during the meal I worked on all day with barely any help from anyone? Good point, Hank. Someone please pass the potatoes with the roots growing out of them. Sure thing, Pop. Potatoes coming right up.
So I think that was all for this train
That one was an accident, but this one is
I'm not sure what that strap does though. Wait, we can adjust the reading light? Yeah, we can. Oh. I like this ambient lighting. It's quite cold. It's quite cold. But I'm getting kind of comfy. This Amtrak license blanket. Is this a heated blanket? Anywho, I'm just going to watch Talking Tom Friends. I feel like I've shown you everything in this room. So, yeah. Also, water curtains. And if you wanted to, how you say, use the bed sheet, just pull this and pull it down. I'm not gonna pull it because grandmother is sleeping up there. So, yeah. Since that's all for this room, I'm just going to stop the video. I'm just going to stop the video, and I'll give you an update for when we arrive at our stop. When we arrive at our stop, I could make another video, or I could combine this video and the other video into a combined video. Alright? See you. Alright? Goodbye. This is Shuichi Saihara.